Yes, you can fade your stretch mark in just 1 week. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to know how you can get rid of your stretch mark in just 1 week, then watch this video. Stretch mark can be so annoying, irritating. Yes, I know, speaking from experience. Either it's caused by pregnancy, weight loss, or you use any cream that caused your stretch mark, or it's natural. This recipe that I'll be sharing with you will surely fade it within 1 week. It's very simple to make. You can get these ingredients in your kitchen, or you can get them in your local store, and it's so not expensive, so cheap, and it will fade your stretch mark so fast. Most people, they go for laser treatments, some go for cosmetic surgery, and it's so expensive. I don't have that money, so I came across this simple ingredients that is very active. It will fade your stretch mark, it will heal the scars, and your stretch mark will look as if it was not even there before. It will rhyme with your skin. I'm telling you, you won't notice you have any stretch mark before. Just follow the simple steps I'll be showing you on how to make it and how to use it, and within 1 week your stretch mark will surely fade away. Just watch this video and you will see that this simple recipe works very well. Without wasting your time, let me show you how you can make it. First, you need a bowl. I'll be using this glass cup here because it's transparent and you guys can see how I'm mixing this. Okay, don't come at me, it's what I have. Then the first ingredient we'll add is mango butter. Here is mine. You need 1 tablespoon of mango butter. Mango butter is very nice. It contains natural skin lightening. Like, it lightens the skin naturally. It will help fade the scars. It contains vitamin E and vitamin C, which is a very good source to help fade your stretch mark. This mango butter on its own can be used, but the result is very slow. That's why you need to add other ingredients to it to work faster. If you want to use it alone, yes, you can use it, but believe me, it will take longer before you start noticing the results. But we need its active ingredients in this mixing to help boost the other ingredients. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So you need 1 tablespoon of the mango butter, just 1 tablespoon. So here is my mango butter. The next ingredient we need for this is Vaseline. Here's my Vaseline. Vaseline has its own healing property. It helps hydrate the skin, and if you have scars on your skin or you have mark, constant using of Vaseline will help fade the mark. So we need this to help moisturize the skin and gradually fade the mark as well. Just take 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline, you add it into the mixing. After adding the Vaseline, the next ingredient you need is black seed powder. Here is mine. If you can't get the black seed powder, you can also use the black seed oil. It's also active as well, but I prefer the black seed powder because we need all the ingredients active and potent. Black seed help fade scars. It help hydrate the skin. If you have mark or even black spots on your face or your body, this black seed will help fade it, and black seed will help heal the scars. You know, when you have stretch mark, is a scar there, that tear is just like a tear in your skin. So this black seed will help heal the scars so the stretch mark can fade away. Just get yourself a black seed powder. If you don't have the powder, you can use the oil, but I prefer the powder. Like I said, I'll be taking out 1 tablespoon of the powder, just 1 tablespoon of the powder. So here's the black seed powder. As you can see, I will add in 1 tablespoon of the black seed powder. Black seed is very active. You can even eat black seed on its own. The oil can be used on the affected area. Like I said, it's lower compared to when you mix other ingredients with it. If you get the black seed oil, you can also use that, but just get the powder. It's very active that way because everything is still intact, so you need it. So after adding the black seed, the next ingredient we need is turmeric. Turmeric helps fade skin irritation or when you have spots on your skin, and turmeric has nice property that help heal the skin as well. That's why you need turmeric. People don't really know that turmeric works very well, but if you know how to use your turmeric, it will fade your stretch mark. With all these ingredients, believe me, you get the best results from it. Just add half tablespoon of turmeric into the mixing, just half tablespoon of the turmeric. So here is half tablespoon of the turmeric. The next ingredient we need is coconut oil. Get a cold pressed coconut oil, those one that is extracted without cooking the coconuts That is the cold press. Some comes thicker, but you can still get this one as well, which is good. Coconut oil is very active, it's very good. It has ingredients that can help face scars, stretch mark, even mark on the skin. But you have to be patient when you're using coconut oil alone. That's why I'm not the patient type. I decided to mix it with other ingredients. Like I said earlier, these ingredients are very cheap to get. This coconut oil, I think I got this about 1,000 naira. I can't remember, but it's very cheap. This quantity here is cheap, it's not expensive. You don't need too much to make this cream. Just get all the ingredients in a small quantity like I did, and it will work for you. Believe me, you still use it like 3 times before you finish it. So the coconut oil is very active. You need just 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. So here is 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. So I've added it into the ingredients. Last ingredient we need for this is vitamin E oil. If you have the capsule, you can use the capsule, but I'll be using this one. I got it in organic store. It's not expensive as well. The capsule is more expensive than this. If you can get your hands on this, yes, go ahead and use it. And if it's the capsule you have, you can use that one as well. We all know the uses of vitamin E oil. It's very active, and you need it for this mixing. If you have the capsule, use 2 capsules of the vitamin E. If you don't have that, use this organic one. I'll be using 2 drops of this organic one, just 2 drops of it. Here it goes. First drop, second drop, just like that. You don't need too much of it. If you're using the capsule, you use 2 capsules. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now that I've added the ingredients, we're going to go ahead and mix all this together. Take your time to mix it so all the ingredients can properly, mix together. So just mix all this together. You see how I'm doing it. I decided to use this glass so you guys can see what I'm doing and how it will look. It's just so easy to make. Just get your hands on all these ingredients. You come to thank me later. Believe me, this works very well. Just 1 week of using it, I notice. You see how it is. Just mix it all together properly so you can get all the lumps out. We use the mango butter and Vaseline, which can be a little bit hard to mix. Just mix it all together. You see, it's coming together like this. Just mix. I know it's not looking good on the face, but it works. No joke. So once you're done mixing this, let me show you how you can use it. So once you properly mix that, you're going to transfer it into a container. You can transfer it into a glass container or a plastic one, any one of your choice. You can also refrigerate this if you want, or you can just keep it in your shelf and use it anytime you want to use it. So now let me tell you how you can use this here. First, you need to get a body scrub. It's very important. Either sugar scrub, salt scrub, or apricot scrub, because we need to scrub the area before we start using this. And you use this twice a day. And when you are using it, you need to use it with warm water. So first, if you're using it during the day, you just wash your body like bathes. Then you use warm water to rinse the affected area where you have the stretch mark. In any part of your body, just use warm water to rinse it off. Then you apply this in the morning. You massage it thoroughly. Take your time to massage it so all the ingredients can penetrate into the skin. So in the evening time, if you want to use this, you're going to use your scrub. You scrub the affected area. Then you rinse it off with warm water. You apply this again. Just take your time to massage because you need it to thoroughly penetrate into the skin. Massage it. You continue this process for 2 days. On the 3rd day, you will take a break. You are scrubbing. You can't scrub your skin every day. You need to take a break from scrubbing. Why I recommend scrubbing is anytime you scrub, you open your pores for any product to deeply penetrate inside. That's why I always recommend scrubbing. It's how I use it and it's how I'm telling you guys. Just follow this simple step and you know what I'm saying. Just scrub the area, rinse it off with warm water, then you apply this mixture there. It comes like this. Can you see? It's like this. Because of the ingredients we added to it, you feel that it has its own little scrub. That is very good. It will help penetrate into the skin. Just take your time to massage it. And on the 3rd day, you take a break. You just You can use shea butter or mango butter or cocoa butter on the 3rd day without using warm water or scrubbing it. And on the 4th day, you resume this process again. Rinse off with warm water in the morning. In the evening, you scrub the affected area. Then you use these products. Just follow this. Within 1 week of using it, your stretch mark will fade away. Because while you're scrubbing it, you open the pores for this little magic here to penetrate deep inside. I was glad when I discovered this recipe. It helped me and it saved me from spending unnecessary money on products that will not work for me. Just get the ingredients that I listed in this video and you see it working magic on your stretch mark. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it among your friends, and if you have any question or inquiry, you can leave your comments in the comment section. I will reply all your comments. If you have any video you want me to make next, just tell me down below and I'll surely upload the video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Till I see you in my other video. Bye.